good morning.
Good morning, Bali.
So now Damian will drive me to my office. Actually, now Denpasar, the situation is that the weather is quite cloudy. It was raining last night, and I will show you how I go to my office today. How is the road and the situation? Because nowadays Denpasar cities, the government Denpasar city, they make it like it's called PKM, pembatasan kegiatan masyarakat, which mean like Denpasar government limits society activities in Denpasar. I'll show you how the road.
Big poster as you have to wear mask as well. It's on every corner right now.
Yeah, and then as you see, this one in every Banjar, in every community, they also make like this the sign that you have to wear mask everywhere you go. Oops, I forgot to put on my mask. Well, actually, nowadays Denpasar making like, I'll show you how it is. Look, this one. So yeah, as you can see that people on the road, they are wearing masks. Everywhere they go, they have to wear the mask. So this is the protocols from the government in Denpasar. It's a must for us. If you are going outside, you have to wear mask.
And now it's even essential to wear the mask in the car. Even you are only you by yourself in the car, and you have
put your mask lah.
Closed windows and everything.
I'll show you how the road in this situation. The road in this situation where I will go to my office today. Look. Oh, even the small kid, she's wearing mask.
As you can see, almost everywhere is the poster, here and here.
Yeah, as you can see that many posters that are reminding you to have mask. Everywhere you go, you have to wear a mask. So we will pass traditional market. The situation in traditional market is still normal. People are going to the market, but they have to wear mask. Yes.
See you later, yeah?
Yeah.
I will pick you up.
Yeah.
Bye, sayang.
Bye, honey.
Take care, yeah?
Yeah. Remember to wear your mask, okay?
Yeah, you too, sayang. Alright, when you go to work, I will go to the one very beautiful place for the coffee this morning. I will show you around. Morning, how are you?
Good, fine,
Oh,
good.
temperature check, yeah?
Yeah.
Here we go.
This is 5'6".
And I'm healthy.
normal.
Okay, normal.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Bye. I'm in the one very nice place in Sanur. This is actually 5-star hotel, and I'm going to the restaurant over there. And this is actually the only one place in Sanur on the beach side when you can, have a coffee or chill out, or like I have to do some stuff on my laptop. with the high-speed internet. So this is the only one place right now in Bali. I will show you around. Morning, how are you today?
Yourself?
Oh, just myself. Today, maybe over there. Yeah, because I had some stuff to do on the laptop. Thank you. That's my breakfast for today. It's time to pick up Winnie from work, and on the way to the car office I will show you the entrance to the main, to one of the beaches in Sanur. This is really close. So as you can see over there, the beach is really close. But look at this one over there in the corner is the small path, as if you are a local fisherman or something, or some tourists also, they trespassing this road, but better don't try, because for sure Pechalang will catch you over there. Can you see that? My petrol is finished. So it's time to buy some. Unfortunately the prices are off, so I'm not gonna show you how much is it, but I'm gonna tell you how much is it. I don't know if you see that, but it's 7,650 per 1 liter of 89 octane petrol. An interesting fact about the petrol prices in Bali is that as we have like 86, 89, 92 and 99, 98 octane petrol, and diesel is called solar here, and is only used on the trucks and bus and some cars as well, like a Toyota Fortuner. Price is like this for the 89 octane, what I put now in my car, 7,650 rupiah, and I will tell you how much is it in American dollars later down there on the screen. Oh, here we go. My Sayank is coming back from the work.
Hi, Sayang. Are you waiting me for a long time? Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
1 hour.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
But that's okay, Sayang.
You must be so tired.
Not really. How do you feel, Sayang?
Great.
How was your work?
Oh, good.
Okay, let's go home, yeah?
Yeah.